Hi Hoopers! Welcome to this intermediate hoop tutorial. Today I am going to walk through this thigh hooping break to knee hooping to foot hooping combination. Some helpful prerequisites before trying this combination are thigh hooping, knee hooping, as well as foot hooping. Before we start, I wanted to give a quick note on hoop sizing and what to use when learning. So this trick is possible to learn and execute with a smaller hoop, though it will be much harder when doing the knee hooping to foot hooping action. So I do recommend grabbing probably one of the largest hoops that you own. For reference, I am using my 11/16 35-inch taped hoop. This will give me lots of room to put my leg through. To start, I have the hoop in my right hand and I have my right leg in, bent at a 90-degree angle. I am going to swing the hoop over on my thigh to get it started on a right rotation. From here, I am going to break the hoop with my hand on the outside of my knee and send the rotation going towards the left. Here it is again from the right profile. Now that we have the hoop going in the right direction, we are waiting for this gap here to sneak our foot into to get the rotation started on the knee. Here is that again from the right profile. From here, I want to wait for the same gap to come through to stick my foot into and take my knee out as quickly as possible. I want to make sure my foot is flexed when I'm getting into the foot hooping part of this trick. A helpful tip that I found when making this combo is finding something to balance with. So here I am using my roommate's contact staff to help me learn this trick. Thank you for watching this hoop tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. And I hope you all get a chance to try and master this combination as well. If you have any feedback or questions, leave them for me in the comment section, as well as any other future tutorials you might want to see. Thank you again, and happy hooping!